Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymakers001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting niche in which you can start making YouTube videos really very simply and really very fast, because this is a really interesting niche and people are making a ton of money out of it. Okay, so you can make this type of content and it's really simple, and this is something which you will enjoy doing, and this is because it is related to entertainment category, but there is a huge money in this category. So in today's video, we will be discussing about that. But before we jump into the content, I would like to suggest you a plug and play affiliate marketing system which I am personally using to make some more money online. So do check out the first link in the description before. And now let's jump into the content. So this is a type of YouTube channel which you can open, and it is basically a very simple YouTube channel on which you just have to provide your genuine opinions regarding something. Okay, and this is something which most of the people of you will be able to do, because I'm going to show you what type of YouTube channel is this. So if you are interested in this type of things, then definitely this is a YouTube channel for you to go for it and make some money with it. Okay, so now the first channel which I'm going to show is known as Anime Balls Deep. This is a type of YouTube channel. What it does is that it watches some anime shows which are available on Netflix as well as other OTT platforms, and what it does is that it provides a review of that show, and also he makes some theories about those shows, and he just represents his theories and his opinions regarding the particular anime show in this, okay, a YouTube channel. And you can see he has a huge channel, and over according to the views which he gets, he has more than 1 million subscribers on this channel. And you can see he is also making a ton of money with this channel because it's really awesome. And the thing is that a lot of people enjoy this type of stuff because, for example, all the animes have very big fan bases and they all can be your audience, and you can also start selling your own merchandise on this type of channel. So this is something which is really big and really great industry on which you can go and you can start creating content related to that category. The thing is that you don't need to show your face. All they are doing is they're having some images of this particular different animes or shows in their videos, and probably they are giving a voiceover on those, and they are making this type of very simple videos and making a ton of money just by doing this very simple stuff. Let me show you the second channel. This is known as Swag Kage. Now this is also one of the channel, and you can see it's a huge channel. Okay, it's 900,000 subscribers just for reviewing anime shows and giving your opinion regarding different anime, or giving some fan theories regarding some anime content. And this is something which is really awesome because all you need is a Netflix subscription and your smartphone to record your voiceover, and you just need a very simple video editing software which even software in your phone can work. Okay, so you can just use any of the software just like KineMaster and any other software, record your voice and just create videos just like this channels are making. So you can see that this is also something just like that. He is watching this anime, reviewing this anime every single day, making videos about different characters of that particular anime. So this is also something which you can definitely do. Let me show you one more channel, which is this channel. It is related to one of the anime which is known as Dragon Ball Super, and you can see that all his videos are based on that. And the thing about this channel is that this is not an English channel, this is in Hindi language. Okay, but still he has managed to gain so much of subscribers. So you can see that there is a huge chance in making non-English YouTube channels and making videos on those YouTube channels, because there are a lot of people who don't speak English in this world, but still there is a huge possibility for you to make channels in other than English languages, because there is a huge possibility. And if you are a bilingual person, then it is one of the best opportunity for you to make this type of channel in different languages, so that you can get wider audience and you can start making more and more money with this type of very simple YouTube channel. So this is something which is really insane, and this is a category in which there is less competition. I can say that it's not at that competitive as many other categories are, because there are a lot of shows and your channel can be based on any of the shows. Okay, so that's the reason why there is very less competition in this type of categories, so you can just grow your channel really very fast and easily. So if you got some value out of this video, and if you are going to take action on this type of category and create a YouTube channel just like this and start making money out of it, comment down below yes that I am going to take action, and I will be happy to see your comments and reply to you, because yeah, I just love it. Because when I'm just able to teach someone to make some awesome money online, that's something which is the most satisfying feeling in the world for me. So that's something which I want to do, and that's the reason why I have created this channel where I share different strategies to make money online. So if you got some value, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram. Link is there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.